Hello students, myself Dr. Sarika Savant. Today I am going to teach you how to search authors in ProQuest. Okay, so for that you need to go to the advanced search, and in advanced search then you have to type the author's name. Say for example I am typing Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, I want to search something in the database that is authored by Jawaharlal Nehru. So in this particular box you need to click and select author, AU for author. The moment you select this AU author, there is one more option will flash, that is look up authors. Just click on that. Okay, again you type your Nehru and then start. Okay, so here you will able to see all the authors which has got a component called Nehru. Okay, so Nehru as a part of surname or Nehru as a first name. Okay, see there are so many Nehrus, right? But we are looking for Jawaharlal Nehru. See here. Okay, so you can click here. See, it has been stored, means authors' names are stored like surname comma first name. Okay, so even though you type first name and a surname in an advanced search or a simple search, still it will recognize and it will search. Okay, so click here Jawaharlal Nehru, Nehru comma Jawaharlal, and then click on add to search, and then you have to press the button called search. And as it was showed that there are two results, exactly two results are retrieved. So these are the two results that contains the name called Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so this is a way you have to search the authors. By authors you can search the ProQuest database. You can type any author's name and search the database. Okay, say for example, mostly in case of the names which are written in a different way, this author search is very much useful. Okay, because suppose the author is consistently using the same style of writing the name, that is only the first name and the last name, but not opting for the middle name, then this author search is more useful. Okay, if there are variations in the names, then definitely this author search is useful. So say for example, if I'm saying APJ Abdul Kalam, okay, and I'm just going to select author, then click here on look up authors. Okay, you have to click here APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, there is only one entry on APJ Abdul Kalam, or if you write only Abdul Kalam, then you may find more entries. See here, there are more entries. There are different names. So you can select these names, like I think these are the correct one. Otherwise rest of the entries are not APJ Kalam. So you can just add to search and then click on the button called search. So there are 6 entries on the name APJ Abdul Kalam. So these are the entries that are in front of you. So I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you.